In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an account on Amazon UK. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by turning on your computer and opening your preferred web browser. Once your browser is up and running, you'll want to head over to amazon.co.uk. This is Amazon's official website for the UK, and it's here where everything begins. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a section that says, Hello, Sign In, Accounts, and Lists. Give that a click, and you'll see an option that invites new customers to Start Here. Go ahead and click on that link, as it will lead you to the account creation page. According to Amazon's UK help page, another way to initiate this process is by going to amazon.co.uk/prime and selecting Create Account if you don't already have one. But since we're already in the right spot, let's carry on from here. The first thing you'll be asked to do is provide some personal details. Go ahead and enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password you'll remember. Once you've completed those fields, hit the Continue button to move forward. At this point, you might be prompted to add a mobile phone number for verification. This is a standard security measure, especially common in the UK. Just follow the instructions to add your number, and you'll usually receive a text message with a verification code. Enter this code as directed, and you'll be well on your way to completing the setup. Next up, you'll need to add your billing and payment information. You'll want to make sure you have a valid payment method that's accepted in the UK, such as a credit or debit card. Additionally, ensure you have a delivery address that is compatible with the UK site. This is essential for receiving any items you decide to purchase. Speaking of deliveries, now is a good time to set up your shipping address. This tells Amazon where to send your orders. Make sure it's correct to avoid any mishaps when your packages are shipped out. With all of these steps completed, you can finally start exploring your new Amazon UK account. From here, you're free to browse, add items to your cart, and begin shopping. If you're interested in extra benefits, you might also consider signing up for Prime membership. The help page on Amazon will guide you through those steps once your account is fully set up. And there you have it. Your Amazon UK account is now ready to go. Enjoy all the shopping and convenience your new account offers. Happy shopping, and see you next time.